people, the folks who are working here, there are going to be sick children and adults who are going to be touched by the love that you give to your work. We used to ship our laundry to Wisconsin and Indiana. By doing it here, we save $700,000 a year as a system. And as a doctor, I realized that what was happening to my patients was occurring because of what happened to the neighborhoods. It's not good enough to be top in quality if we're not addressing the life expectancy gap in the community. How would you address the life expectancy gap in the community? Build wealth. One of our thoughts, let's start a laundry linen. Not so easy to do. We failed 3 times, and here we are today.
There's a whole lot more laundry out there to capture. Roughly 60 million pounds. Fillmore Linen Service is sure to seize the market. So we look forward to you seeing the impact of Fillmore Linen Service that it will have on this community.
The physical improvements that will preserve an 110-year-old building while contributing to the area's legacy as an industrial job center. A project like this takes vision, leadership, and commitment to the city's #1 resource. That's its people.
My family moved to North Lawndale in 1987, a few months after Sears Roebuck & Co. closed its 82-year-old North Lawndale Distribution Center. But 37 years later, right here at 4100 West Fillmore, we are delivering another economic engine to North Lawndale. Thank you, Staines Family Foundation, for forging ahead to make a vision that started 8 years ago a reality. Fueled by the collaboration and the potential that Dr. King searched for when he visited this community in 1966. The Fillmore Linen Service highlights WSU's ability as a convener to serve as a bridge between local hospital partners and communities, to leverage the collective economic and social power of 6 hospitals, including Lurie Children's, Ascension, Cook County Health, Rush University Medical Center, Sinai Chicago, and UI Health, along with the collaboration of community organizations, faith-based institutions, and government agencies, to forge a path towards a healthier, wealthier, and more equitable West Side.
Doing business in Chicago, doing business in North Lawndale is good for business.
We started with the premise that if you went to communities and you centered their voices, their power, their passion, their assets, we would come up with ideas that would really make that happen. When this building appreciates, residents of this community grow in their ownership and their assets, and they own this place, and the benefit of all the work they've done becomes part of theirs.
We can transform this community into a model of urban revitalization. Let us commit to empowering our residents, nurturing our businesses, and building a future where North Lawndale shines as a beacon of hope and what's possible when we move with intention.